In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add charts and graphs to ClickFunnels. We'll start by creating your chart in a widget builder designed for ClickFunnels. Open your preferred tool, such as a Charts and Graphs widget builder, and pick the chart type that best fits your data. Bar charts are great for comparing categories, line charts highlight trends over time, and pie charts show parts of a whole. If you see 3D options, use them sparingly. While they can look eye-catching, they sometimes make data harder to read. Once you've chosen the type, enter or connect your data and customize the look so it matches your brand. Adjust colors for contrast and readability, turn on data labels if you want exact values visible, and position the legend where it won't clash with the chart content. If your chart includes axes, add clear titles and units. Many builders let you set responsive sizing, so the chart looks good on desktop and mobile. Take a moment to preview inside the builder and confirm everything is legible. When you're satisfied, click Save Changes in the builder. This stores your configuration and prepares the embed snippet. Next, select Add to Website, then copy embed code. This will copy an HTML and JavaScript snippet that renders your chart. Keep this code exactly as provided. Don't delete the script tag or alter IDs, as the chart relies on them to load correctly. Now head into your ClickFunnels account and open the funnel and specific page where you want the chart to appear. Launch the page editor so you can place the chart precisely where it belongs in your layout. Add a custom HTML/JS element to the page. In the editor, go to Elements, look under the Miski section, and drag the HTML/JS element into the section, row, or column where the chart should live. Leave enough padding around it so text or other elements don't crowd the visualization. Open the Elements code editor and paste the embed code you copied from the widget builder. Double-check that you pasted the entire snippet, including any script tags. If the builder gives multiple parts, include them all in the same HTML/JS element. Save your page in ClickFunnels, then preview it live. Give it a moment to load. The chart should render exactly where you placed it. If it doesn't appear, verify that the element isn't hidden on mobile, that you didn't truncate the code, and that any ad blockers are disabled for the preview. Finally, view the page on a phone or tablet to ensure the chart remains readable at smaller sizes. That's all there is to it. Your ClickFunnels page now features a clean, data-driven chart.